What's up, stubborn ones? Boy, do I have a surprise for y'all. Oh, I am so excited. I ordered something for the car. I'm gonna do an unboxing in just a few seconds. I just got back from the car wash. Super cold outside, but it looks so nice when you clean it. It's so sexy. I can't believe it. Look at it. It's so dope. All right, guys, here we go. Here's the surprise. The unboxing. I'm so excited. OMG. This is going to look so nice. It's very well wrapped. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. It's so clean. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Oh, real quick, I'm gonna mock it up, make sure it fits. Everything looks great. It doesn't have any damage. It's so nice. And that goes right here. Oh, it falls right into place. Yes! Oh, fire! Guys, already, this is just a mock-up, but oh my gosh, it's so dope. So this is the M4 style spoiler, real carbon fiber for the 335i, 2011 and 55. This one fits only for the E90. It's only for the E90. The E92 is a different one. I don't know why I can't get this. E90, M4 style, spoiler, wing, lip thing, carbon fiber, stuff. Oh my God, it's for this car, okay? I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna use 3M tape, double-sided tape, this to hold it. It has to be on a warm surface for the glue to really stay in for the tape. So I don't have a heat gun yet. Struggles. So I'm gonna use this beautiful Revlon hair dryer. Shout out to Revlon. Okay, guys. First, gotta clean it. Rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. Let's see. Oh God, gently. It looks like a quick install, so that's why I'm doing it. This is definitely not rocket scientist. Okay, I almost done goofed. There we go, gotta clean it. Clean it nice. So here's the game plan, guys. I'll put it on here. Make sure that it gets on there just right. The spaces are even because I didn't fail geometry. Change of plans there, guys. I'm gonna put the 3M tape on there first because it makes sense, because I am a genius. Okay, so got my 3M tape, starting at the edge. Here we go, looking good. go. I'm doing it very slowly and gently to go on the edge. Right along the edge. I done goofed. Learn from me, guys. Get the bigger roll. Don't be cheap. Anyways, I want this done so I can have this on a full 24 hours. I'm applying some pressure to this side so it sticks nice. Very nice. Yes. Here we go. I'm gonna do some tape here. In the middle. And here. Let's see. The idea is that I flip it over. Okay. Flip it over. Heat. Untape. And then flip it back. And boom. It's perfect. Flip it back, it's still, oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Put a little bit of pressure on it. That is really sticky. And there we go. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks amazing. Oh, this goes so nice with the black rims and the tint and that. Next, I'm gonna get, stuff. It doesn't matter. You'll just have to stick around and see the progress. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about me. There's a lot more to come, guys. This is my first video ever, so I will be getting better. I know the quality is iffy, but the content is gonna be there. Don't worry about that. Well, guys, that's it for today. Thank you.